Hello, it's Courtney, and I'm here to share with you an exciting Web 2.0 tool called BoomWriter. BoomWriter promotes collaboration and creativity for students in writing, vocabulary, and in creating collaborative projects. Students have the ability to work together to create new and unique writing projects in an engaging and interesting way. Let's get started. This is the BoomWriter Toolkit. Each tool in the kit provides a different learning experience for the student. The StoryWriter tool can be used to create original stories using prompts that have been provided from BoomWriter or created by the teacher. Once the stories are finished, there is even an option to create a softcover book that you can order. The next tool in the BoomWriter toolkit is the WordWriter. Using this can help students master and develop essential vocabulary for a variety of content areas. There are uses not only in language arts, but also in science, math, and social studies. The last tool in the BoomWriter toolkit is the Project Writer. This is a great way to provide groups of students a larger topic, possibly research-based, to collaborate and write about. Teachers have the ability to add sections in order to assign concepts based on student learning. One of the best features of BoomWriter is that it provides educators access to easy, standards-based grading. This is an example of a rubric for grades 3 through 5 for opinion writing. Using their online rubrics and feedback gives students real-time data and allows teachers to provide instruction based on student needs. The grading is simple and effective. Another area that is beneficial on BoomWriter is the resource page. The resource page is full of different ideas and ways to use the BoomWriter Toolkit tools, and also provides you with access to ideas from other teachers. So let's go ahead and log in. In order to access BoomWriter, you will need to create an account. Today we will be using my account. When you first log in, you are directed to your teacher dashboard. This is where you can access the different tools, take a look at your classes and your students, look at your grade book, visit the bookstore, and go to all of the different resources that BoomWriter offers. Today, we will be creating a project using WordWriter. When you set up your account, you will need to create a class of students to assign projects to. Your teacher dashboard is your one-stop shop for everything you need on BoomWriter. The first thing you want to do is click on the tool that you would like to use. Today, I am going to be showing you how to create a WordWriter project. In order to create a new project, you want to click on the button and add a name to your project. Then, you want to assign a subject. I chose science because this project integrates the science standards and the expository writing standards for 3rd grade. Now you just click the Create button and you're ready to go. The first thing that you want to do is add the words into the word bank that you want your students to use in this piece of writing. This is where you can provide students with content-specific vocabulary and a word bank that helps them in their writing. Once you have added the words that you would like the students to see, you click the I Finish button and it takes you back to the project. The next step will be to give students instructions of what you would like them to do. So all you have to do is click Edit Instructions and type in what you would like your students to complete. That's all there is to it. You can also limit the number of words you would like your students to write if you would like them to write shorter or longer pieces. The next step will be to submit the instructions. A great feature of BoomWriter is the option to upload supporting materials from your Google Drive if you needed students to have articles or other information. The other thing you can do is turn on the gradebook feature. By clicking this button, you are provided with access to a variety of rubrics. I am going to be choosing the information and explanatory rubric, seeing as this is a nonfiction piece of writing. That's all there is to it. Once I select this, I can use it to grade my students' writing. So now that I have my project all set and ready to go, I need to assign the students that I would like to work on this project. If you need to add a class or add students, you will have to do that ahead of time, and it's very simple. I went ahead and added a class of students from my third grade class this year. So all I have to do is click on this class and add it to the project. And we are all set. Now it is allowing me to get started on sharing this project with my students. Now I have the option to set a deadline. This way I can provide students with a short time to do their writing piece or a longer time. So all you want to do is set your deadline and click Start Now. And you're all ready to go. Now the project is live and the students have access to it. Once the students start writing, you will see here that you can approve their writing, you can help them revise, and once you have approved their writing, the writing is submitted and final. This project from BoomWriter that I created covers the following standards in writing for expository and distribution and vocabulary based on the Common Core, and also the science standards for the first quarter in Howard County's third grade science unit. As you can see, BoomWriter provides so many great options for teachers to use in their classroom. I hope that you have enjoyed this screencast, and I hope that you find this as a useful tool to use with your students.